I washed my hair last night and just twisted it in 2 twists, and I'm going to flat iron it today, later on, or maybe tomorrow. But today I decided to get into my closet. One thing about this house, I don't have enough closet space. It's a closet in the other room, but that's the man cave. I don't know, his stuff is in that. In here, my problem is not the fact that I don't have enough closet space, I just have too much stuff. Now, I had all these shoes, tons of UGG boots. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, somewhere else. Yeah, I'm thinking about 10 boxes of UGGs. Love UGGs, they're comfortable. But not a lot of dress shoes anymore. I got rid of them because I don't go anywhere. So I decided, let me take, because I had everything stacked at the top of the closet. I brought this stuff down. I got boots over there from Nordstrom's, and you know, knee-high or over the knee-high boots, which I've gained a lot of weight, so I don't really wear that stuff either. So I think what I'm going to do is put those in the garage. Have you ever had shoes that you haven't worn in a while and they just disintegrate? I've had that happen. These I've checked, nothing's happened to them, so I wonder if I put them in the garage. Also, do you keep your shoes in the boxes or do you throw the boxes away? I tend to keep them in the boxes. Those boots, I want to keep in the boxes and tape them up because I'm going to put them outside. Now, there's another thing. There's a bin out there with some more shoes. At this point, I don't remember what's out there, so when I do figure it out, it's gone. Obviously, I don't miss it. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to try to keep a few in here that I know I'm going to wear. Technically, the UGGs need to go in the garage because it's summertime. Excuse that light behind me. It's summertime and I can't wear them. It's taking up space. Then I have these plastic bags of storage for storage. I got them from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to them. These plastic bags. They're thick plastic. And I'm so OCD that if I put my stuff outside, naturally if I bring it in, I'm going to wash it. Because I'll be too scared to put it on, even though it's in the bag. But I have this stuff here. It's winter stuff. It's pajamas and stuff like that. It's taking up space in here. So the only thing is some tops and stuff that I don't wear anymore, which really I need to get rid of. But I hate getting rid of stuff. I do that and then I end up missing it and re-buy it all over again. So I'm just going to bag them up and stick them out there. And one day I'll go out there and go through all that stuff, load it back in my truck and just take it around to the Goodwill or Salvation Army. At one point I did a Poshmark, but that's a headache. I've done, what's that, Thread Up, where I just bag it up and send it to them, but you know, they're kind of, yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm just all over the place. I'm just sitting in a mess of chaos. Because what I did, I had all the shoes at the top of the closet. All the boots, the boxes and stuff. Then I bought these dividers where I can fold some clothes and put them up there. You know, and yeah, trying to make some space. I need another closet, really. At one point I had considered getting a pack system, but it's full back. There's no need. That big old piece of furniture behind me, it's a multi system. It can be a closet, an entertainment center. Right now it's hooked up with 3 bins of things, clothes. I'm overwhelmed. Anyway, I'm going to try to make the best I can. A lot of this stuff I'm bagging up. You know, some of these long items, you know, they hang long, so they have to have space to hang to the floor. Some of these boxes is in the way. Oh, help. I don't know what to do. I'm overwhelmed, y'all. All right, I'll see you in a bit. I took all these out. I need to organize. I might get rid of the boxes. I'm not sure yet. But then I am bringing these Uggs down here. Can you tell I love Uggs? Tons of them. And I have these plastic dividers up here. I don't know if you can see them. These things. I'm going to do something different. Handbags and clothing. Bring all the shoes to the floor. For all you silent watchers, please do me a favor and just hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button. Leave a comment if you can. I am trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers and I'm almost there. I just need a little bit more help. All right.
Things were different. What made you change it up? How could I believe what you're showing me? Yeah. Call me up, said I was dangerous. Toss up, having lost the truth.
Right now I'm sorting through what I'm going to keep in here and what I'm going to put outside. The boots will go outside. The summer sandals, of course, will stay inside. So that's what I'm trying to figure out now. And looking back at some of this stuff, I need to sell it. Which I probably eventually will or give it away. Here I started stacking up the Ugg boots at the bottom of the closet. Then I changed my mind. I decided they don't need to be in here. It's summertime. So I ended up taking them and put them in the garage. Which I'll show you later. As you can see, I put some of those bags out with some linen items and some clothes, and I'm trying to make room, figure out where I want to put that. This is all my Christmas and Halloween decorations stacked up. That's a hot mess over there, which I'm going through all. That's a lot of comforters and stuff there. And here's what I ended up doing with the boots, just stacking them up over here. Still a lot of work to do out here, y'all. Catch you on the next one. See you later.
Stay soft, pretend